Hello everyone. Today we are making spicy air fried corn recipe. The ingredients are very simple. We need 5 fresh corn, 1 tablespoon clarified butter or ghee, 1 tablespoon chili powder and salt for taste. At last, lemon for a zesty touch. Initially, preparing the spice mix in a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon clarified butter, 1 tablespoon chili powder or paprika and a pinch of salt. Stir well and apply the spice mix by taking a fresh corn and applying with a brush and ensure it's evenly coated. Preheat the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. Then place the spiced corn in the air fryer. Fry for 20 minutes, flipping the corn halfway through the cooking time. Set the air fryer temperature to 340 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. Once the frying is done, take out the hot and spicy corn. For an extra zesty kick, squeeze a touch of lemon over the corn. Enjoy your delicious and spicy corn snack, perfect for a chilled evening. Hope you like the recipe. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy cooking. Thank you for your time. Namaste.